time, so maybe I'll touch on rejected merchandise drawback as well. That is exactly what it sounds like. If you bring in goods that it's not to your, not what you ordered, or they're defective, or for whatever reason you have to reject them, you can return them to customs custody for export and claim drawback. Again, there's also other avenues other than drawback for rejected merchandise. You can claim defective merchandise under another provision of the regulations. So sometimes rejected merchandise drawback is not used because it's maybe easier to file a protest under defective goods regulation, but that's the long and short of it. Now, one